Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Excel Chapter 4 Cap Tech Support. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, and other courses. We can move to the instruction file Exp19 Excel Chapter 4 Cap Tech Support. We can move to the step number 1. So the step number 1 is download and open the file name exp19 chapter 4 Cap Tech Support. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. So step number 1 is complete. Go to the next step is step number 2. So the next step number 2 is the freeze the parent. So the first row containing column heading row 5 on the support cells sports call worksheet will remain static when scrolling. Ensure that row 1 to 4 are visible. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the column heading row containing column heading row 5. Freeze the pane. Go to the view tab and select the freeze pane. So question number 2 is complete. So go to the next step, step number 3. Convert the data table, name the table support cells and apply the gold table style medium 12. Convert the data table. Go to the insert tab and select the table A5 to H91. Click OK. Insert the table and name the table sports call. Copy the table name and go to the table design and table name box. Paste the table name supports call and press the enter button. Apply the gold table style medium 12. Go to the table style, gold table style medium 12. Apply the gold table style medium 12. Gold table style medium 12. Click OK. Step number 3 is complete. So the next step is step number 4. Remove the duplicate record. Go to the Excel worksheet. Go to the table design and click the remove duplicate record. Click select all and click OK. 3 duplicate value found and remove 83 unique value remain. Note that account may include empty cell space etc. Click OK. So step number 4 is complete. Go to the next step is step number 5. Add a new column to the table name is duration. Copy the column name. Add a new column to the table name. Add a new column and type the column name duration. Press enter button. So step number 5 is complete. Go to the next step is step number 6. So the next step is step number 6. Create a formula using the unqualified structure reference to the calculate the days required to resolve the incident, date resolved and manage date created. Date resolved, manage date created. Create a formula unqualified structure reference, calculate the days required. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the duration column and required to resolve the incident, date resolved, manage date created. Date resolved, manage date created. Type is equal to date resolved minus date created. Press the enter button. So the step number 6 is complete. Go to the step number 7. So the step number 7 is add a total row to display the average days required to the resolve an issue. Add a total array to display the average days. Go to the Excel worksheet, go to the table design and select the total row. Add a total row to display the average days required resolve issue. Average total days. Average day required to the resolve an issue. Go to the instruction file and display the average days required to the resolve an issue. Go to the scroll down. Select the date will manage date created center and scroll down. Select the resolve the average days. So step number 7 is a complete. Next step is step number 8. So the next step is step number 8. Sort the table by agent name in alphabetically order. Add a second level to the sort by description and the create a custom sort order follow as will not power on a various printing issue software update forgotten password. Add a third level to the sort by duration smallest to largest. Sort the table by agent name. Go to the Excel worksheet and go to the data tab and sort group. Click a sort. Click a sort and by agent name. Add a label by agent name. Agent name is alphabetically order A to Z. Add the second level to sort by description. Add a second level, sort by description. Sort by the description. Add a create a custom sort order as a follow. Will not power on. Copy the create a custom order. Create a custom list. Select and paste the will not power on. and copy the varies and paste the list entries. Printing issue, add the printing issue. Printing issue. The software update, add the software update. Software update. Forgotten password, add a forgotten password. Add a forgotten password. Click add. Will not power on. Power on. Various printing issue. Various printing issue. And software update. Software update and forgotten password. Add and click OK. Click OK. Add a third level to the sort by duration, smallest to largest. Add a level. Sort by duration, smallest to largest. Sort by duration, smallest to largest, and click OK. So the step number 8 is complete. Next step is step number 9. Filter the table to only display close incident as indicated the status column. Filter the table, Excel worksheet. Table only display close the incident. So the table display the close incident. Go to the status column. Status column. Only display the close incident. Click arrow and select all. Click a close. Only display the close incident and indicated in the status column. Select only, close the filter. Click OK.